How to delete all the Snapchat messages or whether it's possible to do that or not. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all open up Snapchat on your device. Now tap on the message icon at the bottom menu. Now simply open up your chat. Now tap on the profile. Then tap on three dots at the top right corner. Now tap on chat and notification settings. Now as you can see there is no direct option to delete all the messages on Snapchat. You can simply tap on delete chats. Now select after viewing. Now simply go back. Now when you go back to the chat and reopen up the chat, now this will delete all the unsaved messages. Now simply unsave all of the saved messages. Again simply go back. Now open up the chat. Then tap on the profile. Then tap on three dots. Then tap on chat and notification settings. And click on clear from chat feed. Now tap on clear. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.